Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a German Shepherd. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cartoon German Shepherd, we're going to begin right here at the eye. So let's begin by drawing a small circle for the eye. And then we're going to color in everything and just leave a little bit white at the top. Next, I'm going to leave some space. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to draw another circle, and I'm going to color everything in except a little bit at the top. Now starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come out, and then it's going to go down. Then we're going to bring this line over, and we're going to come up here, and we're going to curve it up. Starting here, we're going to draw a little kind of like upside down triangle shape. And we can also color this in, and I'm just going to leave just a little bit at the top white for a little reflection. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to come over. Now starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up, and we're going to curve it around to here. We're going to make a line that's going to go up, and then we're going to bring it down and then in for the ears. A couple of zigzag lines, and we'll draw a line that goes up for the inside. Over here, we're going to make this line come out. We're going to come up, and then we're going to go down. Make a little line that's going to come up and then down. We'll draw a little line down here. Now right here we're going to add a couple little pointed lines. Now starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and I'm going to put a couple little pointed lines on here just to make it look like he's got a furry chest. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down to here. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to come over and then down. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. And we're going to make a little line that's going to go out. It's going to curve around, and then we're going to come up like this. Do the same thing here. We're going to draw a line that's going to come down. I'm going to go around and then curve it over. Next, we're going to make a couple of zigzag lines that come up. And we're going to draw a line that curves down. Next, we're going to draw a line that goes down. And we're going to curve it around for the foot. Make this line go up. We're going to curve in and then bring it up here. And let's just leave a little bit of space right there. Starting here, we're going to draw a little line that comes down. We're going to make a line that comes down here, and then we're going to add a little curve around here. Then we're going to bring this line up. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that comes down, and then as we come back, we're going to make some little points on it to make it look like it's got like a furry tail. Now we have our basic shape of our German Shepherd, and then we can come in here and add some little curved lines on here for some of the toes. Put two lines on the ones in front. And then right here we'll add a couple little dots. Now German Shepherds have a lot of different color patterns on them, and you can draw them however you want to. I'm just going to keep this simple, and I'm going to start right back here, and I'm just going to make a line that's going to come down and then kind of over like this. And then I'm just going to make this come up and then down. I'm also going to add kind of like a long zigzag line down here so he's got some black on his tail. And then we're going to draw a little line around here, show where it's going to be a little darker on his mouth. Then I'm just going to make a couple little zigzag lines here and a little line here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a cartoon German Shepherd. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.